Pros and cons of TPO roofing. TPO, or Thermoplastic Polyolefin, remains the most popular commercial roofing option in Tampa, Florida. And because of recent improvements in its functionality and style, many homeowners today are also installing TPO membranes for residential spaces or flat-roofed homes. So let's find out the pros and cons of TPO roofing to determine if it's the right roofing option for you. TPO Roofing Pros. TPO roofing offers numerous benefits, such as low cost compared to other materials. This is one reason why many people lean towards TPO roofs. TPO is one of the most practical and cost-effective roofing options. Surprisingly, it's more affordable than EPDM roofing, even though it's more durable and longer lasting. How much does it cost? A TPO roof can cost you between $3.50 and $14 per square foot in materials. Make sure and get an estimate from a licensed roofer. Durability and longevity are also the main reasons many choose TPO roofing systems. TPO membrane can hold up well to Florida's hot and humid climate. In addition, this roofing option is also highly resistant to puncturing, tearing, and water damage. Versatility. TPO roofs have vastly improved over the years. They're now more versatile and can fit different home styles. This is a good option if you aim for a simple, sleek, clean design. Easy installation. One of the reasons TPO roofs are more affordable is that they're easy to install. In addition, TPO is lightweight and also has more comprehensive panels and fewer seams, making it easier and safer to maneuver around roof surfaces. TPO Roofing Cons. Along with its benefits, TPO roofs also come with some disadvantages. Here are some of them. Quality comes by brand name. Yes, TPO is known for its quality and performance. However, like other roofing materials, it's imperative to select the brand name carefully. Be sure to choose from a reputable TPO roofing manufacturer like GAF. Lower fire resistance. Another problem with most single-ply roofing materials like TPO is their ability to resist fire. TPO has lower fire resistance. In addition, thermoplastic polyolefin belongs to the subspecialty category of roofing. That means it may contain flammable materials. Installing TPO roofs may require adhesives and solvents, making them flammable. Technical repairs. It usually requires a professional roofer to repair TPO roof damages. Yep, TPO roofs can be slippery, so always be cautious when going up there. Are you looking for a licensed roofer you can trust? Call us now at 813-542-8462 to get a free roof evaluation. Affordable roofing systems, where experience and quality matter.